गोयात दक्षिण गोय जिल्हाधिकारी कार्यालयात रोखडेच सीफेरर्स सेल उबारतले अशें दक्षिण गोय खासदार नरेंद्र सावयकार हांणी सांगला। गोय सरकारान सीफेरर्स सेलाक मान्यताय दिला। सिमेंट्स असोसिएशनाचे प्रतिनिधींची खासदार सावयकार हांचे वांगडा जाल्ले बसकेत सावयकारान ही माहिती दिल्या।
Dixon and some of his colleagues from the Seafarers Association they had come to me with regard to certain issues. In fact, last occasion when the Honorable Minister for Shipping, Mr. Nitin Gadkari was here, we had met him and we had discussed the issues, and he had agreed to meet the delegation in Delhi. Accordingly, an appointment, in fact, has been fixed with him. His office has already been intimated about it, and I expect that in another week or 2 weeks' time, we'll get an appointment with him. Secondly, the issue, because the various issues, this government has taken up various issues of the seafarers, and they have been resolved. In fact, the seafarer community must be thankful, and because this is the only government which has taken care of the seafarers' issues and tried to resolve them as soon as possible. Now, the issues that have been raised here, already the shipping ministry has constituted a think tank and advisory body to go into all the issues that concerns the shipping ministry, which also includes the issues relating to the seafarers. So therefore, I am quite hopeful that all the issues which have been resolved here, I will take up these issues with the Honorable Minister, and during the course of the meeting that we are likely to have with him, all the issues will be resolved.
फाटल्या कितलेशेच दिसांसावन सीफेरर्स असोसिएशन निवृत्त सीफेरर्सां खातीर बरी सेवा मेळची आनी हेर मागण्यो सरकारा मुखार मांडटाले। ह्याच फाटभुंयेर सीफेरर्स सेल स्थापन करपाचो निर्णय सरकारान घेतला अशी माहिती तांणी मुखार दिल्या।
हे इशू आताचे ना, दीज आर लॉंग पेंडिंग इश्यूज आसात, सो तातूंतल्यान हे इशू रिजॉल्व करपा खातीर म्हणून खरें म्हणजे सगळ्यांचे कन्सेन्सस जावपाक जाय। ताका लागून मिनिस्ट्री आसत, बाकी नुसी आसत, ह्या आसत, तांकां सगळ्यांक एकठांय बसून ऑन बोर्ड एकठांय हाडून सगळे म्हणजे इश्यूज सॉल्व जावपाक जाय।
आरडीएक्स खातीर मडगांवच्यान मंदार नायक।